Look at this tiny, glowing jellyfish pulsing alone in complete darkness. It is biologically immortal. Dark ocean background with glowing turquoise title slowly forming 7 immortal jellyfish facts from real tentacles. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis Dohrnii, floating right next to a human finger for perfect scale. Adult jellyfish suddenly stressed. Watch its bell start collapsing inward as reverse aging begins right now. Half adult medusa, half baby polyp. Incredible real-time transformation happening before your eyes. Baby polyp colony on the rock slowly reforming into a brand new glowing adult medusa stage. Immortal jellyfish swimming calmly while massive dinosaur shadows pass overhead. Sunken T-Rex skeleton on the seafloor with one tiny glowing immortal jellyfish floating in the foreground. T-Rex roaring its last breath on left, jellyfish pressing glowing reset button on right. Single immortal jellyfish with bright glowing infinity symbol pulsing inside its transparent bell. Inside a massive ship ballast water tank, thousands of tiny immortal polyps ready to conquer the world. Glowing red invasion routes as immortal jellyfish spread to every ocean on Earth. Starving jellyfish curling into a tight glowing ball. Suicide glow activating right before your eyes. Watch individual cells rewriting their DNA in beautiful rainbow colors. Muscle cells turning into nerve cells, nerve into skin, total cellular chaos and rebirth. Same jellyfish reversing age again for the 100th time. Harvard scientists staring in complete awe at a glowing polyp under bright laboratory lights. Elderly human hand reaching out toward a young, glowing, freshly reborn immortal jellyfish. Double helix DNA strand with the Immortality gene highlighted in bright, shining gold light. Cancer patient lying in hospital bed, split screen with glowing jellyfish cure concept floating above. Heart disease diagram fading away as jellyfish regenerates perfect new tissue in seconds. Alzheimer's damaged brain scan slowly healing while jellyfish performs neural rebirth right beside it. Elderly couple walking on beach, tiny immortal jellyfish washing ashore glowing in the sunset. Immortal jellyfish glowing brighter, older than the United States. Pulsing jellyfish with real heartbeat EKG line running completely backward on the screen. Slamming in biologically immortal against pure black void. Inside the jellyfish bell, clock hand spinning wildly in reverse direction. Macro shot of baby polyp carefully attaching to rock and starting brand new life cycle. Adult medusa dissolving into millions of glowing particles right in front of you. Polyp colony exploding into hundreds of brand new baby medusae swimming free. Immortal jellyfish calmly resetting and surviving. Immortal jellyfish still glowing strong and reversing age. Nuclear mushroom cloud exploding underwater. Single immortal jellyfish calmly resetting in the blast. Deep sea submersible spotlight hitting one lone immortal jellyfish in complete darkness. Portrait of discoverer Pia Miglietta with glowing immortal jellyfish overlay on her face. Stanford University lab sign, researchers' mouths open in shock staring at Immortality tank. Spanish Ocean Institute tank labeled Immortality Project glowing bright turquoise. Futuristic human regeneration pod with immortal jellyfish DNA hologram floating above. Elderly man injecting glowing turquoise jellyfish serum into his arm concept. Newborn baby in hospital with immortality gene already glowing under the skin. Grim Reaper standing powerless as immortal jellyfish refuses to die in front of him. Perfect infinity loop formed by hundreds of immortal jellyfish bodies connected end to end. Great white shark biting jellyfish instantly resets and swims away unharmed. Jellyfish surrounded by deadly plastic bags survives and reverses age anyway. Aquarium tank, same immortal jellyfish outliving generations of human visitors. Little child drawing immortal jellyfish with crayon writing "Live Forever" underneath. Immortal jellyfish happily dancing on the graves. Ancient phoenix myth painting side by side with real glowing immortal jellyfish. Open Bible page about eternal life with glowing immortal jellyfish illustration on the paper. Alien spaceship beaming down, scanning the immortal jellyfish as ultimate life form. Jellyfish bell with glowing human brain floating inside. Hybrid immortality concept. Microscope view of single cell making the decision to reverse age right now. UV blacklight making the polyp rebirth glow in insane fluorescent colors. Massive swarm of immortal jellyfish forming giant glowing infinity symbol from above. Lone immortal jellyfish in the Marianas Trench, deepest life on Earth, still immortal. Asteroid impact that killed dinosaurs, immortal jellyfish calmly resets and survives. Modern city skyline perfectly reflected inside a single immortal jellyfish bell. Climate change flooded city, immortal jellyfish thriving in the new water world. Human lifespan chart ending at 120 versus immortal jellyfish infinite line going forever. Only dies if eaten, with healed shark bite scar glowing on jellyfish. Fishing net trapping jellyfish instantly becomes polyp and slips through the holes. Laboratory accident fire. Immortal jellyfish resets and survives completely unharmed. Immortal jellyfish floating in zero-gravity space performing rebirth cycle. Epic overhead shot of millions of immortal jellyfish spreading across the entire ocean. Close-up immortal jellyfish winking one eye directly at the camera with attitude. Subscribe bell completely made of immortal jellyfish tentacles wrapping around it. End card, dark ocean. The key to eternal life is 4 millimeters long in massive letters. Final shot of immortal jellyfish pulsing like a heartbeat that will never, ever stop. Immortal jellyfish forming perfect heart shape with tentacles. Slow fade to black. Eternal love.